That is the best coffee in popping. Oh, hello. Welcome to Crank Bikes, and I'm Steve. This is the Big Trail. It is Merida's first go at a plus size tyre. So it is long, low, slap head angle, and it's got more similarities to a full suspension enduro bike than the traditional XC bike you might be more used to. So it comes with 130mm fork. Now this bike is the top of the line model, the Big Trail 900. So the 130 fork on the front of this one is a pike, so class leading fork, and it's a little wider than you might notice before. That's because this is boost. So it's 110 boost on the front, 148 on the rear, and what that allows is a much stiffer wheel set. 760 bars on all the bikes. Again, 35mm stem on all the bikes. This model comes with SRAM guide R brakes and SRAM X01 gear set. So rear mech X01, as I said. This is the DT Swiss wheel equipped bike, and the free hub is an XD driver that allows them to fit a 1042 cassette on the rear. SRAM cranks with their infamous wide narrow ring, and all bikes come with an MRP chain guide just to help with that retention. So back to the wheels. DT Swiss rims, hubs and spokes on this model. It's the spline wheel set, and the rim is a super wide 40mm. That allows these Maxxis plus size tyres to be fitted. All the wheel sets are tubeless ready, so some rim tape, valve, sealant, and you are good to go. All bikes fitted with a dropper. The top line bike, the 900, this one is fitted with a reverb, so it's hydraulic, which allows us to adjust the speed of the actuation, so you can get it dialed perfectly for you. Let's move on to the other bikes. This one here is the demo, so you can speak to Callum, give him an email or phone, or pop in and book a demo on this one anytime. The retail is 2,600. Let's have a look at the others. So this one here sits firmly in the middle of the range, the Big Trail 800. Exactly the same frame as the one I've just shown you. They're aluminium. The weight of the frame is 2.1 kilos, so it's super, super light. Exactly the same bars, exactly the same stem, the same geometry, still boost, 110 front, 148 rear. This one's fitted with the RockShox Yari, which is a superb fork. Really, really good value, incredibly close to the pike. Wheels on these ones are Alex rims on Merida's own hub. It's a new hub from Merida this year. Really high quality, with good quality bearings fitted. Gear set on this bike is the new SLX 1x11. So you'll notice the cranks are incredibly similar to the XT that you would have seen around last year. And interestingly, Shimano have changed their chainring design this year. So if any of you noticed, last year they had a completely different design to this. This you'll notice from SRAM, it's wide narrow. Last year they used a completely different tooth profile, which meant when you had mud, a bit of mud clog in there, the chain just rode over the teeth. They've recognised that, changed it. But the big difference is Shimano are 1146 on the rear, so it's like a dinner plate. This thing will climb like a mountain goat. Really, really big range of gears. Probably the most complete range you're going to find this side of Eagle. Okay, same tyres as the top one. Dior brakes. The dropper on this one and this blue one I'll go through in a minute, it's not the reverb, it's a Merida branded bike. And the dropper actuation is super smooth. I'm going to push it down and I'll show you the return. It's absolutely gorgeous. The lever is CNC'd, and if you pop in the store and take a look at this post, you will see similarities to another big brand of dropper. It really is a beautiful, beautiful dropper post. We're hoping these will be available separately, but we digress. Retail on this black and red bike is 1,700. So the entry level is this beautiful blue one. I think it's probably even better looking than the other two. exactly the same frame, the same dropper as I've just shown you on the other bike with the metal CNC lever. Same wheels as the black and red bike. The big differences really are the fork and the gear set. So it's SRAM NX crank, wide narrow ring, still got the same MRP chain guide. This one has 1142 on the rear, still the clutch mech, it's the NX clutch mech. The fork is RST's new effort, it's called the RST First, still boost like the other two, 110, and it has this lovely little carbon fibre lock off on the top, and it's still an air fork. Really good quality fork, and it's lovely to see it on a bike that's only $12.50. I think it's incredible value for money. Tyres, identical to the other two bikes. And again, these wheels are tubeless ready. Tape, valve, sealant, and it's ready to go. So if you want to try any of the bikes, pop in, see Callum, book a demo on the top of the line one. That's available whenever you are. Thanks for watching.